Hello. Alright, so another unboxing. This is a little bit exciting for me. There is this brand called Witchwood bags, and they make these amazing, really cool bags. So I'm going to unbox it right now. The girl who made this is super nice because I guess she said that there's like a small little error on it. I'll show you. Probably, like, for me, won't matter at all. So I got it discounted. But it's a bag that is kind of like an Edgar Allan Poe book. And as I said in my last video, I'm obsessed with Edgar Allan Poe. So, anyway, so there's a cute little card here with a pin on it. It says morbidly inclined, as I am, so that's cool. And let's open up the letter. I love this, just like a black, like really nice cardstocky type letter. I don't know why my camera is like, let's see this. Oh, oh my god, how cute. Witchwood bags, 10% off. Such a cute picture too. It's really glossy. And then, like, that's it. Witchwood bags. I'm so excited. So cute. So, yeah, I got it for about $129, which I think is, like, very reasonable, considering, like, she handcrafted this. And let's see. I know I'm wearing white today. It's weird. It's not normal. But I have a job interview, distance learning one, in about 15 minutes. And this is what I decided to do right beforehand. So, a Zoom job interview. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, I don't really, it doesn't make a difference to me. But, oh my god, it's so cute. Oh wow, it feels so nice. It feels like very, like, leathery. It's beautiful. Like, the lace on it, collected works of Edgar Allan Poe. It looks like a book, but it is a bag, and it even has Poe's signature right there. It's like super cool. And look at the inside. I love that the inside is red. Like, that's amazing. I have the only wallet that I use is like a Louis Vuitton wallet that I bought in Paris, and it's also has red inside. I'm just like obsessed. Look at that. So, Edgar Allan Poe, red inside. It says Witchwood bag, super good quality. And I'm obsessed. Literally gonna wear this all the time. I will take pictures in it. I never get the angle right. I will take pictures in it and pair it with some really cool stuff later, and I'll add that to this video. But for now, I will break for my job interview. So I'll see you guys later. Also, it has like the, you know, straps and whatnot. See you later. See you in a bit. Alright guys, interview is over. Hope it went well. Okay, so a couple things about this bag. This Edgar, I always do that. This Edgar Allan Poe Witchbook bag. That. It's like this. The bag is made in Los Angeles, and it's vegan leather. It says our vegan leather is very soft and gentle, so we encourage you to be careful when using this product. Please limit products containing makeup and oily substances to prevent stains on your bag. Yeah, I'm really bad at that stuff, like just throwing my makeup in there and then it I don't know, gets a little messy. We handprint any lettering, so please be gentle with it to avoid any damage. And they're a small business, which is awesome. Anyway, definitely check out their bags. I'm like pretty obsessed with it because I'm obsessed with Poe. So the other bags on their website are like, there are some that just say like horror stories, so then it looks like you're holding a book of like horror books, and there are some that say like, I think it's like witchcraft, like, I don't know, some really cool stuff. So if I were you, I'm going to put that link in the description, and yeah, go check out Witchwood bags. Super cool.